Hey there, have you ever heard the term API and wondered what it actually means? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll explain what an API is, how it works, and why it matters, all in simple terms with real-world examples. API stands for Application Programming Interface. That sounds complex, but here's the idea. An API is a way for different software systems to talk to each other, like a messenger between two applications. For the explanation purposes, let's consider the example of a restaurant. You, the customer, are like a program that needs something. The chef and the kitchen are the system that makes the food, but you don't talk to the kitchen directly. Instead, you speak to the waiter. The waiter takes your order, informs it to the kitchen, and brings your food back. The waiter in this case is analogs to API. It takes your request, delivers it, and brings the result back. Let's imagine you are shopping from an online store or purchasing tickets online for a movie, and you are doing the purchase that from an app installed in your mobile phone. This application in your mobile makes an API call to interact with the backend server hosted in the internet. When you use a weather app, it doesn't have all the weather data stored inside. Instead, it sends a request to a weather API, which gives back the forecast for your location. That's how apps like Uber, Instagram, and Google Maps work behind the scenes, by using APIs to get and send data. Here is a visual you can refer to understand the API interaction. APIs are everywhere. They let apps share data, automate tasks, and save developers from reinventing the wheel. From logging in with Google, to making online payments, to chatting with ChatGPT, APIs make it all happen. API helps different applications talk to each other and exchange data. APIs use simple web requests to send and receive data. As applications might be developed in different technologies, there is a need for a common data exchange format. The most common data exchange formats or payloads used by the APIs are XML and JSON. Both XML and JSON uses simple, plain English text for data definition. There are different types of APIs, like REST and SOAP, but in most modern web apps, REST APIs are the most common. So, next time you use an app or visit a website, remember, there's probably an API working quietly in the background to make it all possible. If this helped you understand APIs better, give the video a like and subscribe for more simple tech explainers. Thanks for watching.